just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turned you down, and I'm hoping can't deny it.